Physics in Necrotic World, Season 4, Motion and Vectors, Episode 80, Scale Factors. Welcome, strangers. Scale factor is the real length over the scaled length, so it's the ratio for similar shapes. General relativity and quantum mechanics are not inherently incompatible. Incompatibility is more about practical integration, so there's no proof by contradiction that fundamentally is relevant to the claim. It's just a general consensus in support of incompatibility. They're just in support of the simplicity of baryonic matter, of a community that is not seeking to look beyond into the complexity that is the current reality in the multiple phases of space-time that exist concurrently at the same time, simultaneously. Incompatible is not true because with binary states, 2 ones would give 0, then you would carry the 1, right? Ask any computer scientist, they would tell you that. By basic binary addition. So technically, we can treat this seemingly irritating paradox as a slight bug in that there's an error of overflow, data overflow, binary overflow, whatever. So the results are messy and hard to untangle, so deal with appropriately. A theory of everything would tear apart the seams of the neat boxes of true field constants that we are happy with the presence of. NEMA means thread. NEMA means thread. CAPT, capped, is similar to nematic liquid crystals. They come from the same word, They come from the word apart. They tear apart the seams of neat boxes of true field constants that we are happy with the presence of. NEMA means thread. Capped is similar to nematic liquid crystals. They come from the word NEMA, meaning thread, which is relevant because the spontaneous breaking of spatiotemporal symmetry using ferrofluid distribution means that instead of using light to excite anisotropic. See, I like the physics. I can do the physics. I just can't say the words, which is kind of sad. Anisotropic. Anisotropic molecules that I can spontaneously break, in theory, the spatiotemporal symmetry in the same NEMA, in the same thread of space-time liquid crystals, in the same vein of systemic thinking following the skimmed pages of Da Vinci's Codex Atlanticus. That's fun to skim through. It's really fun because Da Vinci has a whole notebooks and notebooks of drawings and diagrams. It's so cool. It's called the Codex Atlanticus. Atlanticus, yeah. And modern day cryo personnel, at Gu's lab, GUO, in Florida, they look into the integration of liquid hydrogen storage for sustainable aviation, which is all a philosophical endeavor like no other, despite its physical roots and technical precision required to run the tests. It's just how you perceive time that really matters here, with the theory of everything and all that. Time can be simultaneously a universal constant and also relative to an observer, which is also all that funky quantum stuff. Really cool. Super cool. So they are 2 parts of the same picture, general relativity and quantum mechanics. They're not inherently incompatible. Obviously, I'm horribly oversimplifying here, and I do not think a theory of everything would be worth it whatsoever. You don't want a theory of everything. You want to make sure that you connect fields. You connect mathematics to biology and chemistry to sociology. You want to connect everything, yeah? Because all knowledge is valuable in the end. See you next time at Physics in Necrotic World. Oh wait, it's the next season 5 would be Motion and Forces. Okay, see you next time at Physics in Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian, R out.